to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a makeup tutorial for a graduation ball. And then I have a first impression review of 10 pieces brushes and at the worth of 500 pesos. And sana magustuhan nyo ang gagawin ko. Enjoy! Let's start! Good morning, fairies! And then ito yung sa face niya. Ang ganda niya, fairies. Very dense ang ano niya. Super lambot. And mga ganitong color. I love the color like this. And elegance on the 10. And then ito naman. Pwede na ito sa eye. Ito, taper. And then ito, pwede na ito sa foundation. Ang ganda niya, fairies. So, maganda to pang foundation man for powder. I will be using this Aqua Moisturizer para ma-protect natin yung skin natin before doing our makeup. And then, as you can see, pag naglalagay ako ng moisturizer, nadadagdagan yung redness ng face ko. Good thing that I stumbled this kind of makeup base at the SHOPPEE. Nag-neutralize redness sa ating face. So, I get kung saan yung redness para man-neutralize yun. So, done. It's a Super Stay Maybelline 24-hour foundation, liquid foundation for coverage. Using this brush of Rain de Castro, maging performance sa liquid foundation. So, look at that, fairies. I love this brush. Foundation, very smooth. Blending niya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng blending niya. Ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda siya. Wala tusok effect. Ha? I will be using this Maybelline FitMe Concealer. Rayan. Let's try for the and you can use this also for applying powder under eye. In fairness, maganda for blending concealer setting powder, and I will use it too. Powder brush. Worth more than their price. Ganda ng performance. And I will be using this black one. Black primer. Ito lalagay ko para kumak eyeshadow. Wow. I like it. Very smooth yung ano. Yung brush lang brush sa synthetic. It's nice. Smooth when you use for applications. Flat brush for transition. Blender brush. I will use the pinaka-flat brush kung ano magiging performance nito. Then, blend natin. Ang gagawin natin yan is smoky black with a gray act. Ano yung eyeshadow ginamit ko sa black. Going to put concealer, lighter shade. Lagay ko siya rito para kumapit yung ilalagay ko pang isang shade. Gumamit ako ng ibang brush. Using this shimmery gray. So, light na siya. Sa precision formula. New eyeliner of Aqua. It's a super definition. I will be using this to remove some harsh edges. And then I use other brush from as a highlighter under my eyebrow. Concentrate kayo dito sa may brow ko. Okay. Okay, I'm done with my eyes. This time, I'm going to false lashes. Total 10. And let's proceed to my blush. And I will use this Sun Peach Blush. This one, I will use this. I'm back. Kumain muna. Let's proceed with bronzer. Now I'm done with nose contouring and nag-get tayo ng highlight. And this one, you can use this lipstick. Like a shade of lipstick. Much more na ma-appreciate yung eye looks nyo. Darker one is the same thing. Mas ma-appreciate yung lipstick nyo, and then second thoughts na lang. And I will change this lipstick for another first stain from Maybelline. It's a Pioneer. Okay, fairies, I'm back. Here's now my final look for the brushes. Hindi siya yung complete for the eye makeup. So, I use some other brushes. For a simple makeup and shadow, you can use the 10 pieces brushes. All their performance is good. Especially yung very nice yung performance niya. So, for now, fairies, for brushes, thumbs up. I'm loving their brushes. Miss Ryan, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. At sana nagustuhan niyo. Ginawa kong first impression review of makeup brush. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and press the bell button down there para updated po kayo sa video na i-upload ko. Titiwala sa akin, sa loyal na subscriber ko, at mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.